always choose to what? Have a forgiving heart. Question is, madali ba tayong magpatawad? Alam niyo, sa totoo lang po, hindi madaling magpatawad. I struggled. In fact, yung sa testimony, I struggled with unforgiveness, especially towards my dad. I nurtured that hatred, and that's why I ended up living a life na talagang very evil, very wicked. But I praise God because God has blessed me with a very loving, very beautiful, godly, and forgiving wife. Ayan. So, ano nangyari po ngayon? Tingnan niyo. Last year lang po yan. Ito, hindi ako nagyayabang, ha? Last year lang po yan. Biglang meron si Jairus, kinuha pala kami. Tapos sinend sa akin. Sabi niya, Pastor Dan, how sweet. Alam niyo, tingnan niyo, 32 years to kami, ang asawa ko mesmerized pa sa akin. So, isipin niyo,